Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Thameem. I'm here with Dr. Mithil. He secured a very good rank in the recently conducted INI-CET. So please tell about yourself, your full name, your college, your rank.
Hello everyone, I'm Mithil Jagannath from Vaidehi Institute of Medical Sciences. I've secured a rank of 127 in this INI-CET. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone, all of my friends who secured ranks. And second of all, I would like to thank the entire DBMCI family and my parents for making this possible. Uh, as as some of you must know that I'm from a private medical college in Bangalore, and the general perception in a private medical college is that such a thing is is too hard, or it's
Cracking
not even.
INI-CET is very
Yes,
difficult.
it's not even possible, something like that. So I think a few of my friends in the last INI-CET and this INI-CET also have started to change that fact and started to pave a road or a path for the
I think you are
juniors also.
trendsetters.
Yes, sir.
You become a trendsetter now. Fantastic,
That's what
Mithil.
I'm like.
Right. Yeah, go ahead.
Um, so this entire journey with all this postponements and everything, it has been tough sometimes, but at this point, I feel surreal to have achieved this and to be in the presence of you, sir, and Nasir, sir, and to have finally met you in person.
Great. I
So
think we've been having online classes.
yes, sir.
We've seen each other only on,
I was
on
actually
screen.
a foundation batch student, and I think I've attended your class almost thrice, sir,
Great.
three times. And
Great. So that means you got to attend both face to face as well as
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
the online classes. And how
Yeah.
was your experience in online compared to face to face?
Sir, what I did was my notes for foundation and online were almost same since I attended, and most of the faculties remain same. So when I attended the online classes, all I had to do was sit with the notes open, and I had to edit or update some new stuff. So that helped me a lot attending foundation batch, and I could revise in the classes as the online live classes were going on.
Great. So I think the sessions got over in the month of I think November, October last year.
Yes, sir.
So from that time till the INI, how many revisions were you able to do?
Sir, actually, I could not complete one full set of 19 revisions. All I like for medicine, all I had to do was two revisions. That's all I've ever done for medicine, and that's all with the notes that you have made us write. Two revisions is more than sufficient. But for subjects like pharmac or biochemistry and PSM, you need more revisions almost on a daily basis that you'll have to see. So for those subjects, I had to see multiple times. Like I can't even count how many times I had seen those.
Great, great. So I think this is one of the important ideas to remember that whatever your weaknesses are, you need to definitely focus more on that. And whatever your comfortable subjects are, like he's attended medicine three times already, so he didn't have so much to revise.
Yes, sir.
So I think that's the thing. You need to identify what your weaknesses and strengths are,
Yes, sir.
and build up on that. Very nice, Mithil. So I think one of the questions people always ask is, "Ki are class notes enough, or do we need to do something else?"
Sir, I would like to especially talk about this because I was also thinking that I had seen many interviews from you only telling that stick to one source, don't add too much. But my feeling was okay. Let's do it. Let's see how it goes. But I tried that, but until I gave one exam, I didn't realize what mistake I was doing. And once I gave the exam, I realized that, that there is just too much to do. So even completing class notes will be difficult sometimes. So uh, that's what I want to say. First should be class notes. If you're lucky enough to finish class notes, then you can try something else.
Right. So I think class notes generally should be. And do you think they are enough to get a good rank?
Yes,
Class
sir.
notes.
More than enough, sir.
Right.
More than enough.
Okay. So what faculties you found were very inspiring and very helpful?
It has always been you, sir, Thameem, sir, and Jai, sir, also, Ashwani, sir, Praveen, sir, and especially Bharat Kumar, sir.
Right. So I think it's been a pleasure listening to you. But this question I've been asking everybody: what do you think you did extra or special that helped you get through compared to all your other friends? Because thousands are studying, you must have done something different. So what do you think that was?
Sir, in the last 4 or 5 days, In the previous exams that I have given, I was always with the notes, trying to revise from end to end, and trying to stick to that. Like even if it takes too much time, I was trying to stick to the notes. Like let's finish. But this time I was like, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to take a few topics and I'm going to see only that page, and then I'm going to move on. So I tried to cover what I had made a list of around only 30 topics that I wanted to see on the day before, and I covered those topics almost twice. And I had also kept a few pages that I wanted to see on the way to travel. So I could see everything that I wanted to see. So that gave me a sense of completion that whatever I wanted to do, I've done.
Great.
Yes.
So I think this is one of the things that even for the revision of the notes, you'll fall short of time. So what he's done is just the most volatile stuff. He's highlighted
Yes,
that
sir.
he understood what his weaknesses are, and he used that for revision. The last 10 days, I think, is very very critical.
Yes, sir.
So if you can plan your revision properly, you can get that feeling of satisfaction. You can go in the exam hall with a lot of
Yes, sir.
confidence. So any other important advice you'd like to give to your juniors?
Yes, sir.
Which college are you from?
I'm from Vaidehi
Why they?
Institute of
So I
Medical Science.
think a lot of your juniors would be interested. First of all, you've told them that it's crackable now.
Yes, sir.
INI-CET, the
Yes,
doors
sir.
are open. Everybody who tries hard can achieve it. Doesn't matter private college,
Yes, sir.
government college. Those things don't matter anymore. So, what anything that they should do? When do she start studying, and what more they need to do? So, your advice, whatever it
To
is.
any junior who's listening, who's starting in first year or second year or third year, please make use of standard books like Robbins. Even if you cannot use Robbins the textbook as such, you can always use Robbins review MCQ books. That's a very good way to learn. So I had used uh, Ganong review book, Robbins review book, Harrison's review book, and all these MCQs I had solved, even if I hadn't read the text as such. So that is really going to be helpful, and it's always better to start early. As you can know that most of the juniors are always trying to join foundation batches, and so it's always better to start early than to wait until internship and then join coaching classes and then start.
So you were with us almost for 3 years
Yes,
now,
sir.
isn't it?
Almost.
You
Yes.
joined in which year?
I joined in third year, sir.
Third year. Okay. So I think starting early now, the trend I feel once next exam starts, then I think people start joining in second year because see, one of the things is it's so vast that you do need experienced people who have been living their life in this
Yes, sir.
to give you in a summarized way what is really important for the exam.
Absolutely, sir.
So those people who believe like I just read it and crack it myself. Yes, you can. Only thing is you'll take a few years to
Yes,
do
sir.
it.
True.
So I think with using proper guidance, you can do it much earlier. That's the only
Yes.
benefit.
Yes.
So I think it's been great listening to your story. Any final words of advice before we wind up?
To all my friends who's listening who were not able to crack in this INI-CET or were putting their 100% effort without anything to show for, just keep at it. One day, your time will also come. You will soon crack whatever that you want to crack. So just keep at it.
Great. So huge congratulations to you once again.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.